Your bank doesn't actually hold your money, not in the way you think. When you deposit your paycheck, that money doesn't sit in a vault with your name on it. It becomes a number, a promise, and it immediately starts moving, quietly, through a system so large and so deliberately opaque that even the people inside it don't see the whole picture. Here's what's actually happening beneath every transaction you make. Every international payment, every wire transfer, every cross-border business deal travels through a chain of middlemen called correspondent banks. Your bank doesn't have a direct relationship with a bank in Lagos or Jakarta or Zurich, so it passes your money through a trusted intermediary, then sometimes another, then sometimes one more. Each hop, the original source gets harder to verify. Each hop, the oversight gets thinner. The system that coordinates all of this is called SWIFT. It moves messages, not money, messages, that tell banks around the world to credit and debit accounts. On any given day, SWIFT processes instructions for transactions worth more than $5 trillion. That number's so large it stops meaning anything. So think of it this way. The entire GDP of the United Kingdom moves through this single network roughly every 3 days. And here's what almost nobody talks about. SWIFT doesn't actually verify what's behind the transfer. It verifies the instruction. The money could be clean, it could be sanctions evasion, it could be a government moving funds to avoid its own population knowing. The message looks identical either way. Banks are legally required to monitor this, but when a transaction touches 6 countries and 4 intermediaries before it lands, legally the responsibility becomes everyone's problem, which in practice often means no one's. The global banking system isn't broken. It was built this way, to move money fast, to ask questions later. And later almost never comes.